researchers, they can be members of district or staff at district health authorities or CHBs, they can be students. They have to have an idea of a research field that they need to develop and a plan for developing it. So, for example, if a group of students needs a particular skill or capacity around a particular piece of software, the only training for this piece of software is offered in Ontario or Australia. They could apply for funds from this award to bring a trainer here and to conduct a training session with the students in their program that need that skill. With students, we require that their supervisor be a co-applicant on the award, and we want a letter from the supervisor indicating, can the student conduct this, how are they going to, as a supervisor, going to support them to organize this, and why is this not offered as part of the student's training in their academic program. We're open to exciting ideas, so take a look at the detailed descriptions that are in the capacity program description, and then give me a call if you have any questions. I'll speak to the Special Consideration Award next. That is intended to support innovative ideas to build health research capacity in the province. It can be for any funding level. As a general guideline, if the award is $10,000 and under, we'd like to see it benefiting, it can benefit at the very least an individual. If it's between $10,000 and $20,000, we want to see the award benefiting a research team. If the award is for more than $20,000, it has to be benefiting a faculty at the very least, an institution, something much more elaborate. We fund, in general, the bulk of these awards in the $10,000 range. The ones that are above $10,000 even, we'd only do 2 or 3 per year on average. So, general idea. These two, research skills and special consideration, there will be 2 intake points each year. They're detailed on this overview. So we receive applications from May 1st to May 22nd, or October 1st to October 22nd each year. For those that come in May, they're reviewed in June, and you'll have your funding announcement, or you'll receive notice of your status in July. So it's a 3-month period there: intake, review, and then announcement. October, similar process. The applications come in October, they're reviewed in November, and we announce in December. So those are the 2 that are going to be offered twice per year. The Graduate Undergraduate Health Research Award has only 1 eligible applicant in the room, because the only eligible applicants for this award are the Dean or VP of Research Services and the Dean or equivalent of Graduate Studies at an institution. What we're trying to do with this award is to really support and encourage health research activity in the undergraduate and graduate students. We want it to come from senior research staff, the application, because we want it to be a university-wide and institution-wide effort. So, for example, over the years, we've had applications from different institutions for graduate student research days, undergraduate honors thesis research days, awards for the best honors nursing research thesis, to undertake activities that are going to tell undergraduate students about careers in health research. All of those types of things would be eligible under this award, and we want to make it an institution-wide award. Currently, the funding level is $2,000 a year. So it's going to be opening October 1st and closing October 22nd. Our very sincere hope is that we will receive a funding increase of some sort this spring, and we will be, hopefully, depending on the nature of that, if we get an increase, increasing the funding level here. That's why we're only offering it in October. We're hopeful we can get a funding increase. If not, at the very least, at least with $2,000, you could have some level of activity at each institution in the province, and that's better than we had before. So that's our try. Final award to speak about here is the Proposal Development Award. The Proposal Development Award is intended to support people who have submitted a letter of intent at the national or international level and who have been invited to full proposal. The application process is a little different, and this award is open year-round. So, as soon as you submit a letter of intent, within 10 business days of that deadline, we want to receive an application from you. Details of what must be included in the application are in the capacity program description, but basically it's a letter from you indicating what your needs are, your financial needs up to $10,000, what other funding you've applied for to develop the proposal, what is the relevance of your proposed research project to the health of Nova Scotians, that type of thing. It's all outlined in the program description in much greater detail, so you can take a look at that and contact me if you have any questions. Go ahead, Jane.
What's the turnaround time on that?
Okay, so how this is going to work is I'll receive the applications, I'll review the applications and approve them, and then when you're notified that your LOI has been invited to full proposal, you let me know, and provided the funds are available, I'll release the funding. So the approval is all going to be done when you send me your